What Orkla was asking is to really help them become more optimized in the way they work, while at the same time keeping their local advantage. And we designed essentially a 15 months process that enabled the top 230 of Orkla to think through how they can lead those changes.
It covers many different aspects and critical areas in business. It talks about leadership, how you link leadership to strategy and how you lead other people.
It's not just optimizing the model of how the functions and the business lines work together, but also how people in the organization work together on incorporating the learning that we offered to immediately apply that to their business areas.
That it focuses not just on the what, but on the how to do things and make it work in practice in my daily business life.
Because it's a longer time frame, we were able to build in multiple feedback loops which allowed them to take the learning back, apply it, think about what the lessons learned, and then actually add new knowledge so that they could apply it again.
We also create inside each business area a learning community where we all work together, apply it, and then also with pride learn from each other on how to best engage our organization to create that environment where we have a local advantage and take advantage of our size as Orkla.
The learning journey continues even after the courses, and even after several modules you can still stay connected with the institute and therefore really enhance your learning and then apply it to the business.
In this particular model, for instance, we actually focused on how they can more successfully lead change within the organization. And what we saw was the way that they inspired and learned how to inspire their teams and their organization wide for gaining commitment to their initiatives was just amazing. The impact that we created was even beyond what I thought was possible.
It's really about creating engagement around change. It's not just bring the facts on the table, but it is also on how you communicate it. And even if you knew that before, many practical examples from this program has really given me a lot of new insights around techniques I can apply and ways of doing differently than I used to.
The feedback from the 360, the IDI survey that we did, looking at motivational drivers, that has actually helped me a lot in identifying, things I'm good at, but also things I need to improve and work more with.
See, as leaders, just like an actor on stage, you have to be super aware of the story that you are telling. You cannot hide them.
This course has taught me to enhance and expand my boundaries so that my learning gets increased to that extent, and therefore I can bring those learnings back and apply it to the business.
We made impact at the individual level because it forced individuals to reflect what could they do differently and how. We made an impact at the team level because we were always focusing on how can we apply it within our management team. And so all the learnings were always applied to the team. And then we also focused on the cross-team and cross-functional cooperation. I thought we made an impact at actually all of those three levels.